Welcome to this tutorial that will show you how to log into another Facebook account. While Facebook is a platform that allows you to connect with friends, family, and colleagues worldwide, there may be situations where you need to access someone else's account for legitimate reasons. This can be useful in cases where someone forgets their password or when you want to access someone else's account with their permission. It is important to note that this tutorial is solely for informational purposes and does not encourage unauthorized access to other people's accounts. It is always important to respect privacy and comply with laws regarding the use of others' accounts. If you do not have permission or authorization to access someone else's account, please do not proceed any further. Now that we have clarified all the points, it is necessary for you to open the Facebook application on your phone. After that, click on the menu option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and you will see the Logout option. Click on it. Confirm the logout by clicking on Logout once again. To log into another account, click on the Log into another account option in the middle of the screen. After that, enter the login credentials for the specific account you want to log into. And now you have successfully logged into your other account. If you want to switch back to your previous account, simply follow the same steps we have shown you. That's it for this video. We hope we were able to assist you and that you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.